Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the compression attached memory module, KMM, loosen the 6 screws on the base cover. Lift the base cover starting from the bottom edge. Pry the cover off the system to remove it. Find and unplug the battery cable. Remove the 2 screws that secure the memory bracket on the CAM module. Lift to remove the memory bracket. Remove the 2 screws that secure the CAM module. Lift to remove the CAM module. Pay attention, do not touch the pins on the connector module. To replace compression attached memory module, place the CAM module onto the connector. Replace the 2 screws to secure it. Place the memory bracket. Replace the 2 screws to secure it. Reconnect the battery cable. Place the cover back on the system. And tighten the 6 screws to secure it. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.